Hi, and welcome back to our second video of our Terraform course. And we will learn how to install Terraform. Architecture of our system. This tells us whether your system is 32-bit, 64-bit. Here's how you can do it. If you are on Windows, open your command prompt and type this command, add in the description. You can get from it there. In my case, it's AMD 64. You need to choose from the operating systems that they have provided, the macOS, Windows, and Linux. And in my case, I'm on Windows, so I will use this one. This AMD 64, and I have already downloaded it before. So what I will do is I will open this file and I will copy it from here. I'll go to my C directory. If you can put wherever you want. So I will go in the program files. I will create a new folder and I will name it Terraform. You will see I have already with the same name Terraform, and I have already moved my package here. What you will do is you will do Control V and then you will get the exe file here. And then you will copy this path. You will go to the env. You will search env and then click on edit the system environment variables and then click on environment variables. And in the system variables, you will search for the path, look for the path, and then add it. And then you will click on new. And then you will do Control V. With that, a new entry will be added here for the Terraform. And then OK, OK, and then OK. And then we will open CMD. We will do Terraform hyphen version. And you see we have successfully installed Terraform v1.10.4. That was the intended version 1.10.4. In next video, we will learn what are the providers and how to use Terraform init command. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next video.